It was a beautiful morning in the forest. Rabbit and Turtle were enjoying a peaceful walk together, but suddenly, dark clouds began to gather in the sky. A storm was coming. The wind grew stronger and stronger. Rabbit struggled to walk forward. They found a small boat by the river. Rabbit wanted to cross before the rain came. Rabbit said, "I'll go first. I can do it." Turtle stayed behind. Then came a storm. Rain poured down. Thunder roared. A huge gust of wind flipped the boat. Rabbit fell into the water. Turtle heard the splash. Without thinking, he jumped into the river to help. Through the rushing water, Turtle reached around and grabbed his paw. At last, they made it to shore. They were cold and tired, but safe. The storm passed. Sunlight warmed their wet fur and shell. Turtle built a fire. Rabbit looked at him with tears and said, "Thank you for saving me." They shared some fruit and laughed. Their friendship had grown stronger. The next morning, they walked together side by side toward new adventures. Even in the storm, friendship, courage, and sacrifice shine the brightest.